Lesson 64. Let's speak English with Toto. Listen, write, read, and repeat. Hi Robert, how are you? Hi Robert, how are you? Hello Thomson, I am fine, thanks. And you? Hello Thomson, I am fine, thanks. And you? I am fine too, thank you. I am fine too, thank you. What will you do today? What will you do today? I have no idea yet. I have no idea yet. Let's do something interesting today. Let's do something interesting today. What do you think about? What do you think about? Thomson, what do you think of the picnic? Thomson, what do you think of the picnic? I think it is a good idea. I think it is a good idea. Do you have a tent? Do you have a tent? Yes, I have. Robert, who will we go with? Yes, I have. Robert, who will we go with? My father will take us. My father will take us. Great. My father is still at work. He works all day. Great. My father is still at work. He works all day. Don't worry about it, Thomson. We will go together. Don't worry about it, Thomson. We will go together. Where are you thinking of going? Where are you thinking of going? We are thinking of going to the lakeside. We are thinking of going to the lakeside. Wonderful. We can fish from the lake. Wonderful. We can fish from the lake. Of course, Thomson. Do you have a fishing rod? Of course, Thomson. Do you have a fishing rod? Yes, I have. And you? Yes, I have. And you? I also have. I also have. Robert, we can make barbecue and cook fish by the lake. Robert, we can make barbecue and cook fish by the lake. Of course, Thomson. What's a picnic without barbecue? Of course, Thomson. What's a picnic without barbecue? It will be an interesting day, Robert. It will be an interesting day, Robert. Yes, Thomson, I can't wait and I already hurry. Yes, Thomson, I can't wait and I already hurry. See you soon, next lessons.